Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture I will guide you for different beams with span and its steel structure design especially for 5-story commercial building. So let's get started guys. If you see guys, here we have the first one which is called beam 1, this is beam 2 and this is beam 3. Beam 1 is shorter span guys, you can see here, and this is its section. We have two section, okay, one and this is the other one, because here we have 1A and 1A. Here we have 1A and 1A, because near its support we have this section especially for this 1A, and 1B especially for this one, 1B and 1B. Same you can see guys, here these two section we have for this beam, and this is one section, this is especially for this one, because only we have one section, okay, not at the middle. So let's get started guys. First of all I will tell you size of the beam. Size of the beam is guys, you can see, which is 13.5 inches by 12 inches. This is size of beam. Next guys, you can see the beam size is same for all guys. You can see this is the other beam, this one also. For this one the size of the beam is same, but only the steel reinforcement, and there we have some details. So guys, if you see we have the 1A section. So 1A section is this one near its support. So this is one column, this is other column. Now guys, you can see this is the span between two column. Suppose we can say this is 16 feet. If you see here near its support guys, from this center line, left side and right side, okay, we have maximum shear stresses. Due to maximum shear stresses we can change the design. Let me show you here. And 1A, this is 1A. So if you see we have here 4 bars at the bottom, and the diameter of the bar is 4 bars and 5 number bar they used. It means 5 suture guys, you can see we used 5 suture. So when I focus the camera you will see properly, you can see now. So this is 5 suture, 4 bars at the bottom and 4 bars at the top portion, and same guys you can see 5 suture, 4 bars at the top. Next guys, you can see, if you see the stirrup, so the stirrup dia is 3 suture with the spacing of 4 inches center to center. This is especially for this one near its support at the distance of 2 feet and 9 inches. Here guys you can see, okay. Next guys, you can see clearly on the other side the thickness of the slab is 6 inches. This is slab guys, you can see also on the other side. So this is for A section or 1A section. Also we have 1A section. So for this section, for this one, and also for this one we can use this section. Now we have the section 1B. So only the 1B you can see this one. So this is 1B section especially for this place. For this one we are using this one, where we have 4 bars at the bottom, diameter is 5 number bar or 5 suture, and 2 bars at the top. Here we don't have the bottom bars, okay. So you can see the bottom bars are 4, but the top bars we don't have. If you see here, the top bar is only placed at this place, not at 1B here, because here we have 2 bars, not 2 bars at the middle. Only these 2 bars at the middle are provided at the distance of L by 4, you can say, and also here. So this is especially for this beam. Now you can see the second beam, which is called guys here beam 2. For the beam 2 guys, you can see the span is greater than this one, so therefore the steel reinforcement should be heavy. So the size is same, 13.5 inches by, and the depth is 12 inches. Where guys you can see we have 2A section and 2B section. 2A section is here near its support at the distance of 10 feet. As you can see here, from this point to this one, this is 10 feet. So this is 2A section, and also you can see this is 2A section. So used this section 2A1 for this, where we have 4 bars at the bottom, you can see clearly, and the diameter is 5 suture. And here you can see 4 plus 2 bar, 4 plus 2, and the diameter is 5 suture bar. You can see 2 bars guys, you can see, which is this one, only placed at the distance of L by 4 guys. You can see here this one, look here, this bar only at the top portion, but we don't have at the bottom portion. So these are side bars, and 4 bars are placed, the diameter is same for both. So therefore they did. And the thickness of the slab is 6 inches, depth is 12 inches, width is 13.5 inches. Here same guys, 2A and 2A you can see here at the distance of 6 feet and 8 inches with hooks you can see here. And this is development length also, which is very important. Development length should be placed to make a good bond between steel and concrete. So this is the section, 2A section, especially here this one, 2A section, look at here, and 2A section. Now you can see the section is changed, which is called 2B, where the 2B is this one. We have 4 bars at the bottom, 2 are side bars, okay, because we have maximum shear stresses there, therefore we provided extra bars at the top portion, you can see. But here we don't have the middle bars and also side bars, because here guys you can see we have tension zone. So at tension zone guys you can see we are using this one, 4 plus 2, the die is same. This is the opposite of this one, okay. This is very important for you people to know about this. If you see guys here, the spacing is 4 inches center to center near its support, but here they increase the spacing because here we don't have maximum shear stresses after 6 feet and 8 inches. If you see here where the spacing is 8 inches, double of this one. Next guys you can see the other beam, which is called beam 3. So we used here only one section, 4 bars at the bottom, 2 at the top, depth, width, everything is same, you can see here, and only one section we have here, this one same at the middle they used also here, okay. So this is a short video but very important for you people to know about these common things in steel structural design which I have discussed in front of you. Thanks for watching, see you in next video, goodbye.